Stop scrolling. Your job might not exist in next 5 years and no one is talking about it. Think about this. Writers, designers, even coders. Tools like ChatGPT doing their work in seconds. Few years ago, it took hours to write an article. Now, AI does it in seconds. And it's not just small jobs. Big companies are already replacing their employees with AI. Customer support, automated. Content writing, AI. Even the video editing is becoming automatic these days. So, the real question is, are humans becoming useless? But here is the truth no one tells you about. AI is not gonna replace humans. AI is gonna replace those people who don't adapt. The people who learn how to use AI are making a lot of money than ever before. If you want to stay ahead, do these three things. First, learn how to use AI tools. Second thing, combine your skills with AI. And third, stay updated. The future does not belong to AI, it belongs to people who understand it. So, the real question is, will you be replaced or will you be the one who is using AI? Follow this channel to stay ahead and subscribe for more updates.